In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create labels in Trello step by step. Labels are a powerful way to organize your tasks, prioritize work, and visually categorize cards on your board. Whether you're managing personal projects or collaborating with a team, labels can make your workflow much clearer and more efficient. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside Trello, head over to your Boards page. This is where all your boards are stored. Choose the board where you want to create and use labels. Click on that board to open it. Now that you're inside the board, the next step is to select a card. Labels are always attached to cards, so click on any existing card where you want to add a label. If you don't have a card yet, you can quickly create one by clicking the Add a Card button under any list and giving it a name. After clicking on the card, a detailed card window will pop up. On the right-hand side, you'll see several options such as Members, Checklist, Dates, and Labels. Go ahead and click on Labels. When the Labels menu opens, you'll see some default colored labels if your board already has them. To create a brand new one, click on Create a New Label. This will open the Label Customization panel. Now you can start setting up your label. First, click into the title field. This is where you type the name of your label. For example, you might type High Priority, In Review, Design, Marketing, or Urgent, whatever category makes sense for your workflow. Try to use clear and simple names so that anyone viewing the board immediately understands what the label means. Next, choose a color for your label. Trello provides a variety of color options. The color you select will appear directly on the card, making it easy to visually scan your board. For example, you might use red for urgent tasks, green for completed items, or blue for client-related work. Simply click on the color you want to assign to your label. Once you've entered the title and selected a color, click on the Create button. Your new label is now saved and automatically attached to the card you're currently viewing. After creating the label, you can close the label menu by clicking outside the panel or clicking the close icon. You'll now see the label displayed at the top of your card. The color bar and the label name confirm that it has been successfully added. If you return to your main board view, you'll also notice the label appearing directly on the card preview. This makes it extremely easy to identify tasks by category without even opening them. You can add multiple labels to a single card if needed, which is perfect for tasks that belong to more than one category. And that's it. That's exactly how you create labels in Trello. As you continue using Trello, labels will help you stay organized, filter tasks quickly, and improve collaboration across your team. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.